Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you how to make this simple origami pencil case. The cool thing is that besides being easy, it actually works. You just need to open it like this and place your pencils or pens inside. You can make several in different colors and sizes and use them whenever you need. For this version, I'll use a square sheet of paper measuring 20 by 20 centimeters, about 8 by 8 inches, and the first step is to divide the paper into 3 parts. To do this, you can use a ruler if you want, but I think it's much easier to just hold the paper and curve the side like this, creating 2 curves, like the letter S. Bring the edges closer, then just press to create 2 marks. And now, using these marks as a guide, we can fold the right side first, following the first mark. Unfold. Then fold the left side using the other mark, or by folding it to the line we just created. With this, the paper is divided almost perfectly into 3. For the next step, we will fold the right side again, and then fold the edge back to the right, dividing that section in half. We do the same on the left side, so first bring it to the right, and then fold it back to the left. The next step is to open the right side again, and then fold the 4 corners. We start by folding here at the top, then fold the left side, only the first layer, and then follow the same logic at the bottom. After that, we can bring the first layer back to the right, and then repeat the same steps on the left side. So first open it, then fold the 4 corners, and finally close the paper back to the left. With that, our origami is ready! If you want to use it, just open the paper here in the middle and place whatever you like inside. I hope you like it, I hope it was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.